Akshlat here. In this video, that was a nice start. Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Aksh. In this video, in this video I'm just going to be showing you. I'm just going to be teaching you some basic Python commands. And do I have Python installed? No. Sublime. Okay, so now there we go. We have Sublime. I actually have two IDEs. Okay, we'll just talk about that later. What is Python? You use it everywhere, maybe on the web. Yes, even HTML requires Python. Python is for coding. Python is a programming language, just like Scratch or other programming language. But this is Python. This is Python over here. So, we're just going to learn some basic commands. Now we have print command. Now, in Python, you have inputs and outputs. So, what will you do with this print statement? This actually echoes. It is just like the echo command in Linux. You just I'll now write print, and you have to write these, and yes. Hello world. Now what is this? We have two these. I don't know what are these hyphens like. Now print is echo, and now we write this statement. But unlike Linux, we have to use these, and these double quotation marks are strings. So now this is a string value. Now if you if the output, it will just say hello world. Yeah, hello world. It will just say that. Oh, I sneezed. In Python, it is not necessary for you to in Python it is necessary for you to use underscore, because if you don't use underscore, it's not good. Yeah, even in Linux. Actually, I'm using a text editor. I'm not using the official Python, because for some reason it was not being able to install. I couldn't install it for some reason. Yeah, and my tooth is shaking. So yes. So now this will print hello world. Now you will be like, only the print command, what else? Now, if I want to know that is Red Bull the best or the worst energy drink, so we can just type print and then Red Bull is the best or the worst, and then anything. We have more things to do. Now, what is a variable? Let's not type. Variable is something, anything. You can write anything. Now my variable will be Red Bull. Red Bull. Let's type Red Bull addition. Red Bull. Now Red Bull is the variable. You can type anything. I can type monster, say Red Bull. You can just like literally type anything. You can type hello, hi, how are you, anything. But Red Bull, like if I just type Red Bull, what should I give? Now what is the value? We should assign Red Bull something. Now we have equals operator. Now Red Bull equals to gives. Okay guys, in variables you cannot use spaces, but here you can use in strings. So wings. Now I'll just hit enter. Now Red Bull equals to gives you wings. Now Red Bull has something inside it. It's not empty. But there is just one more problem. Now what can we do? Now in the output it wouldn't display gives you wings. So you have to type print. Now string values cannot be a variable. Now if I like just type print, I'll just type gives you wings, but that's very bad. It's super like hard. You just have to like write millions of codes. We don't want to do that. So we'll write red. But there's also one more problem. Now Red Bull is a variable and variables cannot be strings. So we'll just type Red Bull. And now in the end, what happens? Let me just like find a way to run this. I'll just save this. Yes, so now this is a Python project. Now I type print Red Bull without strings. So now what will come? It will not show Red Bull. It will show the value of the Red Bull. So I'll just go to files and let's try running that. Let's run the software. Yeah, 49 bytes. That's it. Red Bull gives you oh, there's one problem. So let's just try running it with Visual Studio Code. And also let's try. Yes, now a Visual Studio Code, I'll just explain that later on. I'm just doing something off topic. Let me just run this Python. Okay. Now okay. Let's just run this. Let's try running let's just try running this file. Now output. Okay, now I don't know what is this, but it did gives you wings. Yeah, Yo, only one problem. Python. Now we gotta give you wings. Red Bull equals to gives you wings. Okay, now let's just go to Sublime again. You know what? Let's just go to Visual Studio Code. Yes, we got print Red Bull. And what are IDEs? I mean, not IDEs now. Now, in Red Bull, there are different types of. In Python, there are different types of values. Now, we know Red Bull equals to yes. Just like these gives you wings. Now we want to type. Let's create another variable. Yes, you can create as many variables as you want. Let's try creating Red Bull. Now we'll just make another Red Bull. Cans on stock equals to now if you're a person, if you like do not know Python, like if you're not in this stage, you just type number 1. Let's run that, and then let's try print Red Bull cans on stock. Let's see. Yes, it doesn't work. Kind of doesn't work. So now number 1 also exists. So I just don't know why does it not work. Yeah, this is a terminal. Yes. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, let's just use a online IDE, and yes, let's go to the browser. And then yes, no. Guys, I think very expensive IDEs are way bad than normal IDEs, I guess. I don't know. Just go to Visual Studio Code, copy all of these. Okay, let's just run this. Now it gives you wings, and we also got the number 1. Now now number 1 can also be without strings. So this is an integer, and if you use a 0.999, this is a float. But we have strings too, which are just hello. These are strings. You can just type letters. And now what else can we do? We have true. True. Yes, we have true and false. So that's it guys for this video. Bye. See you in the next video, and you will learn more. We learn more Python because this is only the basics. So that's it guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Say that it feels right.